Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this video, you will learn how to take a virtual machine snapshot in VMware vCenter step by step. This is a must-know skill for system administrators before performing updates, changes, or troubleshooting. Log into vCenter web client. After login, go to VMs and templates. Select your virtual machine. Right-click, click Snapshots, then click Take Snapshot. Insert snapshot name and description. Optional, have a checkmark snapshot the virtual machine's memory. Optional, have a checkmark guest file system, if VMware tools installed. Taking memory snapshot will increase size, so only use it if needed. Click Create. Check vCenter Resent task, show snapshot process running. A snapshot captures the current state of a VM, including disk, memory, and settings. It's useful before updates, testing, or troubleshooting. But remember, snapshots are not backups and should not be kept long-term. Best practices. Don't keep snapshots for long time. Avoid multiple snapshots, performance impact. Always delete after task completion. Monitor data store space. Verify snapshot. Go to Snapshots, click Manage Snapshots. Confirm snapshot is created. That's how you can take VM snapshots using GUI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IT tutorials.